Hi guys, let's get an 80s pop star makeup for spring using only drugstore products. So I'm gonna start my face with a glow highlighter as a primer, which will give me a beautiful effect on the foundation. And next I'm gonna use a medium coverage liquid foundation all over my face. And I like to blend that with a brush to give me beautiful coverage and cover all of the imperfections I don't like. And next I'm gonna come with a liquid concealer and apply it all over my under eye in a triangle motion, and also on the sides of my mouth and on top of my nose. It's all about highlighting all those areas. So with a sponge, I like to blend that all in. I love using a sponge so that I don't get any creases under my eyes. After that, a little bit of powder. And then of course, a bit of bronzer so that it gives me that natural contour, but also gives my skin a healthy color. And on top of it, a little bit of pink blush just for a nice, healthy flush. And then something I cannot live without, cream highlighter. Yes, I apply it with my fingers on top of my nose and on top of my cheekbones. It looks so amazing on photos and real life. And next, a lock-up spray to set all of that makeup. Now let's move on to eyes. Starting with the brows, I like to brush it a little first and then fill it in either with the pencil or a powder. Ooh, look who's here! My godson! Yay! Okay, back to brows. Fill it in, make it perfect. Brows are everything. And now some eye primer on those lids to lock everything in. Yes, it is important to wear eye primer, especially if you're gonna stay with your makeup all day long. And then the Katy Cat palette, which is so cute. I'm gonna take the brown shadow and just blend it all over my lid with a brush to help me out. And then highlight under my brows a little. That gives a beautiful effect. And I'll move on to a liquid liner to create a beautiful, dramatic cat eye. Next step, mascara. A always must have for full looking lashes. It's always good to add an extra drama. And now what I'm doing is priming my lips for the gloss that I'm gonna use. That helps a lot so it doesn't bleed. And then I'll move on to my Katy Cat pink gloss. It has like a metallic finish to it, which is beautiful. So I'm just gonna add that in all over my lips and voila, I am done. I mean, almost done. Let me just fix something. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial, and the list of products will be down below. So make sure to stay beautiful, stay positive, and stay kind. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!